So the last class we finished up to the 12th problem. So today we are going to see the 13th problem. 13th problem. See the first transaction. Credit sales to Mohan 7,000 were recorded in the purchase book. However, the Mohan account was correctly debited. This is the first transaction. What is the first? You have to write the correct entry. Credit sales to Mohan. Okay, so Mohan account data to sales account is the right entry now. So in this Mohan account is correctly debited. Okay, so it's recorded in the purchase book. So purchase book is the debit balance. So there is excess of debit balance with 7,000. So we have to cancel that. We have to credit the purchase. In order to cancel the wrong debit, we have to credit the purchase account, and now we have to make the correct credit, that is sales account. Okay, so what will be the journal entry? Rectification entry is, so in to cancel the wrong debit with purchase account 7,000, we are crediting the purchase account with 7,000, and what is the correct credit? Sales account is the correct credit. So we have to credit the sales account with 7,000. Mohan account was correctly debited, so no need to debit the Mohan account. Okay, so totally 14,000 is to be transferred to the suspense account. So suspense account attached to sales account 7,000 to purchase account 7,000. Okay, so see the next transaction. Credit purchases from Rohan were recorded in the sales book and Rohan account was correctly credited. Okay, so what is the correct entry for credit purchases from Rohan account? What is the entry? That is purchase account data to Rohan account, and Rohan account was correctly credited. Okay, so instead of that is purchase account is to be debited now, which is recorded in the sales book. So sales book is a credit balance. So there is excess of 9,000 in sales account. It is a credit balance, excess credit balance. So to cancel that, we have to debit the sales account with 9,000. Okay, and now we have to debit the purchase account with 9,000. Understood? So to cancel the wrong credit, we have to debit the sales account, and correct debit is purchase account. So totally 18,000 transferred to the suspense account. So entry is purchase account data, sales account data to suspense account. Okay. Third one, goods returned to Rakesh were recorded in the sales return book. Rakesh account was correctly debited. Goods returned to Rakesh is the purchase return. Okay, so purchase return is a credit balance, but it is recorded in the sales return book. Sales return book is a debit balance. So there is excess of debit balance with 4,000. There is excess of debit balance. Okay, so in order to cancel that, we have to credit the sales return account. So to cancel the wrong debit, we have to credit the sales return account with 4,000. And what is the correct credit? Purchase return is a correct credit. Okay, so we have to credit the purchase return account with 4,000. So the total amount 8,000 is to be transferred to the suspense account. Understood? So suspense account attached to purchase return account to sales return account. Next, goods returned from Mahesh, that is the sales return, which is recorded through the purchase return book. Purchase return book is a credit balance. So there is a wrong credit balance with 1,000. So to cancel that wrong credit, we have to debit the purchase return account. To cancel the wrong credit, we are debiting the purchase return account. And what is the correct debit? Sales return account is the correct debit. So correct debit is a sales return account. To cancel the wrong credit, we are debiting the purchase return account. So totally 2000 to be transferred to the suspense account. Okay. The last one is the goods returned to Naresh recorded through the purchase book. Goods returned. So it is a purchase return. But instead of recording the purchase return, it is recorded through the purchase book. Okay. So purchase book is a debit balance. So there is a wrong debit balance in purchase account with 2000. To cancel the wrong debit, we have to credit the purchase account. And what is the correct credit? Purchase return is a correct credit. So now we have to make two credit. First one is correct credit is a purchase return account with 2000. To cancel the wrong debit, we have to credit the purchase account with 2000. So totally 4000 to be transferred to the suspense account. So the entry is suspense account data to purchase return account 2000, purchase account 2000. Okay, so write the journal. First to read the transaction, write the correct entry and see the error and rectify the error. Okay, so in this sum they asked to prepare the suspense account. So after preparing the journal entry, post the entries in the suspense account and find the closing balance. Okay, so see the 14th sum. Furniture purchased for 10,000 wrongly debited to the purchase account. So what is the entry for the furniture purchased? That is furniture account to cash account, which is wrongly debited to the furniture account. Which is wrongly debited to the purchase account. Purchase account is a debit balance. So there is excess of 10,000 is a debit balance. So in order to cancel that, we have to credit the purchase account with 10,000. And what is the correct debit? Correct debit is a furniture account. So furniture account is to be debited and purchase account is to be credited with 10,000. Okay. So see the second one. Machinery purchased on credit from Raman for 20,000 was recorded through the purchaser's book. So first write the correct entry. What is the correct entry for machinery purchased on credit from Raman? That is the correct entry is machinery account data to Raman account. Machinery account data to Raman account is the correct entry. But in the purchase book there is a excess. Purchase book is a debit balance. So there is excess of 20,000 in the purchase account as the debit balance. To cancel that excess debit, we have to cancel. So we have to credit the purchase account with 20,000. And what is the correct debit? Machinery account is the correct debit. Okay, so machinery account data to purchases account 20,000. Next one. Repairs on machinery 1400 debited to machinery account. So in the book the answer is wrong. Okay, so that is C. Machinery account data to repair account is the wrong solution for the C1. Repairs on machinery. Okay, so when you are doing the sum, write properly. Repairs on machinery rupees 1400 debited to machinery account. So first we have to know what is the meaning for what is the journal entry for repairs on machinery 1400. It is expenses. So we have to debit. What is the correct entry? Repairs on machinery account data to cash account. It is the correct entry. Okay. So instead of debiting the repairs on machinery account, it is debited to the machinery account. Machinery account is asset account now. So instead of repairs on machinery is the expenses. So instead of debiting repair on machinery account, it is debited to machinery account. So there is excess of 1400 in a machinery account. It's a wrong debit. So in order to cancel that, we have to credit the machinery account with 1400. And we have to debit the repair on machinery account 1400. So the correct entry is repair on machinery account data to cash account. And rectifying entry is repairs on machinery account data to machinery account 1400. Okay. Next. Repairs on overhauling of second hand machinery purchased 2000 was debited to the repair account. Okay, that is when they are purchasing the second hand machinery, so certain expenses is incurring when at the time of purchasing the second hand machinery. That is, some of the repairs is to be taken over while purchasing the second hand machinery. That is 2000. That is the repair which is occurring at the time of purchasing the second hand machinery. So that is the third transaction and fourth transaction is somewhat different. In the C, the repair is on the machinery. Already it is installed in the company, and now certain expenses, that is the name as a repair, is occurring. But see the D1, the repair expenses is occurring at the time of purchasing the second hand machinery. That is expenses at the time of purchasing the second hand machinery. Okay, so repairs on overhauling of second hand machinery purchased rupees 2000. What is the correct entry? So first you have to write the correct entry. The correct entry is machinery account data to cash account. Okay, machinery account data to cash account. But instead of debiting the machinery account, it is debited to the repair account. So repair account, there is a excess debit balance with 2000. So in order to cancel that excess debit balance, we have to credit the repair account with 2000 and we have to debit the machinery account. So the D part. So the D1, the answer is right, but for the C, the answer is wrong in this guide. Okay, so you have to write properly. For the D1, it is right. So we have to debit the machinery account. The correct entry is machinery account data to cash account. So instead of debiting the machinery account, there is a wrong debit balance in repair account. To cancel that, we have to credit the repair account and the correct debit is machinery account. So the rectification entry is machinery account data to repairs account. 2000. Okay, next one. Sale of old machinery at a book value of 3000 was credited to the sales account. So first you have to know what is the correct entry for sale of old machinery. What is that? That is cash account data to machinery, old machinery account. Okay, or machinery account, whatever may be. So what is the correct entry? Cash account data to old machinery account. So instead of crediting with 3000 in the old machinery account, just credited to the sales account. So there is excess of 3000 as a credit balance in sales account. To cancel that, we have to debit the sales account. And what is the correct credit? We have to credit the machinery account. Okay, so the rectification entry is sales account data to machinery account with 3000. So in this sum, there is no need to prepare the suspense account because in this sum there is no suspense account balance. Okay, so see the 15th sum. Rectify the following errors assuming that suspense account was opened. So we have to open the suspense account. Okay, so the first one is furniture purchased for 10,000 wrongly debited to the purchaser's account. Okay, as 4,000. So what is the correct entry for furniture purchased? Furniture account data to cash account. But it is wrongly debited to the purchase account. So purchase account is a debit balance. So there is excess of 4,000 in purchase account as a debit balance. To cancel that excess debit balance, we have to credit the purchase account with 4,000. And what is the correct debit? Purchase account is the debit. Correct debit is we have to debit the furniture account with 10,000. So the correct debit is furniture account to be debited with 10,000. To cancel the wrong debit, we are crediting the purchase account with 4,000. So the balance 6,000 is to be transferred to the suspense account. Understood? Next, machinery purchased on credit from Roman 20,000 recorded through the purchase book as 6,000. First you know what is the correct entry for machinery purchased on credit from Raman. That is machinery account debtor to Raman account. I am right. Machinery account debtor to Raman account, that is 20,000. First you have to write the correct entry. What is the correct entry? What is coming inside? So if it is the name of the asset is given, means instead of debiting the purchase account, we have debit the name of the asset, that is machinery. So machinery account debtor to, it is a credit, so we have to credit the Raman account. So correct entry is machinery account debtor to Raman account 20,000, but is recorded through the purchase book as 6,000. So there is a excess debit balance in purchase account as 6,000. So it is a wrong debit. So in order to cancel that, we have to credit the purchase account with 6,000. And what is the correct debit? Correct debit is a machinery account. So machinery account debtor 20,000. To cancel the wrong debit, we have to credit the purchase account. So to purchase account 6,000 and the balance 14,000 to be transferred to the suspense account. Okay, next one. See the C1, repair on machinery 1,400 debited to the machinery account as 2,400. So first you have to, last sum itself I told what is the correct entry for repair on machinery. What is the entry for the repairs on machinery 1,400? That is repairs account debtor or repair on machinery account debtor to cash account is the correct entry. Okay. Repair on machinery or repair account debtor to cash account 1,400 is the correct entry. Instead of debiting 1,400 in repair or machinery account, it is wrongly debited to the machinery account as 2,400. Okay, so there is excess debit balance in machinery account with 2,400. So in order to cancel the excess debit as 2,400, we have to credit the machinery account with 2,400. So credit the machinery account 2,400. What is the correct debit? That is repair on machinery or repair account. So we have to debit the repair on machinery account or repairs account with 1,400 and we have to credit the machinery account. That is a wrong debit. To cancel, we have to credit the machinery account with 2,400. So the balance 1,000 rupees to be transferred to the suspense account, which is to be debited. Okay, next one. Repair on overhauling of second-hand machinery purchased 2,000 was debited to the repair account as 200. So first you have to write the correct entry. So repair on overhauling of second-hand machinery purchased 2,000. What is the correct entry? That is machinery account debtor to cash account. Correct entry is machinery account debtor to cash account 2,000 was the correct entry. So instead of debiting the machinery account, it is debited to the repair account as 200. So there is excess debit balance in repair account with 200. To cancel that excess debit, we have to credit the repair account with 200. And what is the correct debit? Correct debit is the machinery account. So we have to debit the machinery account with 2,000 and we have to cancel the wrong debit. We have to credit the repair account with 200 and the balance 1,800 to be transferred to the suspense account and is to be credited. Okay, next one. Sale of old machinery at book value 3,000 was credited to the sales account as 5,000. Okay, so what is the entry for sale of old machinery? That is cash account debtor to sale of old machinery. That is cash account debtor to old machinery or machinery account, whatever may be. Okay, so cash account debtor to machinery account 3,000 is the correct entry. But it is credited to the sales account at 5,000. So there is a wrong credit in sales account 5,000. To cancel the wrong credit, we have to debit the sales account with 5,000. Okay, and we have to credit. What is the correct credit? So to cancel the wrong credit, we debited the sales account with 5,000. And what is the correct credit? Correct credit is the machinery account. So machinery account is to be credited with 3,000. And the balance 2,000 is to be transferred to the suspense account. Okay. So after writing the journal entry, it's very easy to prepare the suspense account. Transfer the or post the entry to the suspense account. Find the balance amount. Okay. So try to do 16 sum. If you are having any doubt, means I will rectify the errors. Okay. Okay, students. So do the problem 13, 14 and 15 in your class work note. Okay. Thank you, students.